Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour just about what I'd like to have you do today. So the first thing is I'm going to share the screen. You got this far, which means that you were able to figure out where you needed to be for Wednesday. And what we have here is when you opened into Schoology and you go to your course materials, it's week 3, September 16th, and you open up to Wednesday. You should get to your group A, and there are 2 things listed here. Since you're watching the video already, there's 2 things in here listed. The first one, if you click on your latitude and temperature, this is a Google Doc, so it might, when it opens up here, you might have to go to your document. On the student side, it says My Document, so that you get to something that looks like this. Now, on this sheet, based on what we talked about today and Tuesday in class, then we're going to look at how latitude affects temperature. So I'm going to have you read the top part, and then the directions are for you to find the temperature, the current temperature, and there's a couple ways you can do that, for the following places. There's 5 places. Once you've found those temperatures, then I'd like you to answer based on the information what either surprised you and then also what you thought made sense, what you expected. There's a short video for you to see what it's really like at the South Pole that I'd like you to watch. And when you're done, it just reminds you here to please submit your form to me in Schoology. So if you need to go back to the Schoology tab to hit submit, then you're all set. That would be fantastic. Now, after you've done that, and we're back at, let me go back here. We go back to Pictures of Earth, Pear Deck. I know that you've used Pear Deck in some other classes, but when you open the Pear Deck, it might ask you for your Google ID. Please remember that to log into Google, you put your 2 zeros first in front of your password. These pictures are from an astronaut, so taken from outer space, looking back at the Earth. So the way the Pear Deck works is I want you to scroll through and take a look at these pictures that are pretty amazing. And anytime that it comes up where there's a question on the side, just make sure that you read the question on the slide and then answer. It won't tell you whether you're right or wrong, but just do the best that you can. And then when you're all done, you don't have to submit. With Pear Deck, it will automatically submit to me so that I know that you are all done. When you are finished with that, that's it for Wednesday. Just remember that on Friday, I'm going to have you take your quiz. So if you want to study for that, you can always go back and take a look at anything to study continents and oceans. And then on Thursday, I'll have some new things for you to do, and probably a little bit of a video just to make sure you get all the steps right. So enjoy, do a good job. See you soon.